Nubabo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po ne? Ako Louis Seasoning Wearing Pampanga ini pong adong ini may imbita kami po para pakilala mi fairly bayon talaga das pa kay ni Balibago ne. Amin po ining ISPA Beauty Lunch. So ngayon pong adong ini pagpasanting tayo naman lalaki ni. Actually, yung pinaka specialty service ni ISPA usually nail extension. So syempre, luwa naman ni kami rin pa nail extension. Ating kaming abe model. Again, it's gonna be a pampering day. Pareta na ng model na mo.
There you go.
Tara na. Basta na Kabalen, pakilala ko lang mo kaya kayo rin. Kaya katamong model ngayon nga doon. Sabi ko pinantin, syempre, yun naman magkasya retang retang nail extension ka na o niya, main bitata mo. So, hashtag Tukimo is real. At Chuya po Dindin, tsaka Irene. Ayan o, hello tapa mo. Ayan, ready na kayong nail extension? Lawenta mo po ng nanularetang services na paggawad na kaya katamo. But ito po, if you have any questions or suggestion, leave them at the comment section po para apakibatan nila ng nanularetang kutang yung kening ISPA. Yan, buli kita. Are you guys ready?
Yeah! Excited!
I wanna see you ladies party with me. Throw your hands in the air, don't you hesitate. I wanna see you celebrate. Alright now, girls, night out. Let me hear you shout. Girls, night.
So usually ma'am, ing makanyan na service, kung gawa mo kang dindin, magkano yung mo yan?
1,200 nung plain color yan, may 1,000.
Okay, but nung ating yung accessories antingan yan,
Usually 50 pesos to 100 per nail.
per nail.
Oh. Depende po kayo sa nail.
Wow. Usually, makanano naman kalot, magkayan, maglast makanyan.
1 month po or may git po. Depende kang baka na niya kabilis kumaban ko mo kasi magbabaya mo.
Tutoy, tapos ang paladilo ka, mabilis nang kumabarin ko.
Opo, pag madalas kang manos gamot, madalas kang mababasa.
Nga pala walang kumabarin ko. Alam mo, joke dito. Did first time mo?
First time ko po actually, masagid lang achieve din long nails. So, I'm so happy na...
Naiyak ka, ganyan?
Natatouch po ako. Maraming salamat po, We're in Pampanga, for making us your models. And yeah, I'm so very, very happy since sabi natin na siya na maka-confidence. And yeah, aramdaman ko ito.
Pagkikit mo.
Well, kikilig ko!
Ito man. Siguro keng lalaki happy din.
Yeah.
Potong manigwang may sapatos na bro.
Wow, di ba? Itang...
Bay sapatos. O kaya ba yung linis ng kotse mo. Ayan,
Wow.
itang kikilig ka. Ayan.
Karalan nail.
Karela. So, other services are full spa, facial, at saka
nail extension,
nail extension. Oh, yun. Okay, so, yan. For more information, guys, visit their fan page. It's ISPA Beauty Lounge. So, dahil po akit kay ka rin. Information about King Karelang business. So, how was the experience?
Para sa akin, sobrang saya kasi first time namin magpa-extension.
Tsaka super duper ganda
Oo,
kasi
tapos yung staff nila dito is very accommodating.
talagang mag-enjoy ka talaga pag Kenny ka pagawang
Tsaka,
yes, especially
Girl, ang ganda girl, saan ka pa, diba? Oh my God.
alagang-alaga by ISPA.
Come and visit ISPA Beauty Lounge located here in MacArthur, Balibago, Angeles City. Just in front of Security Bank, opens from 10 a.m. to 1 a.m.
We offer facial treatment, foot spa, and nail treatment.
See you here!